Hey guys, it's Joy, your travel expert here in Disneyland Paris at Disney's Hotel New York, Art of Marvel, in a superior room with a garden view. We're going to start out here in the bathroom. It's got a toilet. That door, there's not a door, so it doesn't close. And then shower, tub combo, single sink, but it's pretty large. And then lots of storage. Hanging clothes on one end and drawers here. Safe. And then this room has 2 queen beds. One thing I really like is this little bench at the bottom. You can tie your shoe. Lots of lighting. Like I said, this is a garden view, so a nice tree outside. And then tea. And then a little beverage fridge. And then one of the coolest parts of the room is you think this is a mirror, but it's actually the TV. How cool is this? Super awesome. These rooms were recently renovated and they look great.